Alrighty, we're here at Bloomie's, Westfield Orchard in Skokie, Illinois. This used to be a Barnes & Noble, and look what elevator we have to ride. That's right, it's a Schindler MT with lumbar MT. Type the 2. Here we go. Here 2. 1. And he phones down there. Let's get a cab view. It's actually a nicer cab now. Well, I just noticed this thing was loose right when the elevator just started moving. Pretty weird. They redid this cab when Bloomie's was in the process of moving in. Indicator, lumbar MT buttons, 25 punchbowl capacity. This thing does run pretty well, although it does shake quite a bit. All right, there it goes. Glad to see this thing is still here, even though Barnes & Noble is closed. Actually just relocated to a different area, different spot of the mall. All right, that's it.